Hey everyone! Today we're exploring a short but powerful teaching from Jesus in the Sermon on the Mount. Salt and light. Found in Matthew 5:13-16, these two images capture Jesus' call for his followers to live in a way that visibly transforms the world. Salt and light might seem simple, but when Jesus used these terms, he was talking about something extraordinary. Let's break down what it means to be salt and light in today's world. First up, salt. You are the salt of the earth. Matthew 5:13. Salt was precious in ancient times. It preserved food, added flavor, and was even used in religious offerings. When Jesus says we are the salt of the earth, he's talking about our role in the world as agents of preservation and flavor. Salt prevents decay, and it adds taste, meaning that, as Christians, we're meant to bring life, hope, and goodness wherever we go. In Colossians 4:6, Paul says, "Let your conversation be always full of grace, seasoned with salt." Our words, actions, and attitudes can make the world a better place, full of God's grace and truth. Salt has an effect on everything it touches. Likewise, our lives should make an impact. But here's a twist. Jesus warns, "But if salt loses its saltiness, how can it be made salty again?" Matthew 5:13. Salt that loses its taste is useless. It's thrown out. This is a reminder. If we as believers stop living out our faith, we lose our impact. Our lives are meant to bring out the goodness of God, not blend into the world's brokenness. Next up, light. You are the light of the world. Matthew 5:14. Jesus says, "A city set on a hill cannot be hidden." Imagine a city glowing on a mountaintop at night. Everyone can see it. Jesus calls us to be that city, that light that people can see from far off, leading them to hope and truth. In Philippians 2:15, Paul encourages us to shine like stars in the sky. In a world often filled with darkness, negativity, hatred, and despair, Jesus tells us to be lights. We're called to shine brightly with his love, pointing others toward God. Jesus continues, "No one lights a lamp and puts it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on a stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house." Matthew 5:15. Think about it. What's the purpose of a light if it's hidden? In the same way, our faith isn't meant to be kept private. God doesn't call us to blend in or stay quiet about his love. He wants us to be bold and open with our faith so others can see the light of Christ shining in us. Ephesians 5:8 says, "For once you were full of darkness, but now you have light from the Lord. So live as people of light." God is asking us to live in such a way that our lives point directly back to him. Finally, Jesus wraps up by saying, "Let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven." Matthew 5:16. Jesus isn't asking us to shine for our own attention. It's all about bringing glory to God. When we live in a way that reflects God's love and kindness, people notice. And when they notice, they're drawn closer to him. 1 Peter 2:12 encourages us, "Live such good lives among the pagans that they may see your good deeds and glorify God." Our lives, our actions, our compassion, our humility are meant to reflect God's character to a world that desperately needs it. So, what does it mean to be salt and light? It means we're called to make a difference, to preserve what's good, to shine with God's love, and to live in a way that brings people closer to him. Jesus invites us to live boldly, to be unafraid of standing out, and to bring hope and truth into the world around us. Thanks for joining me as we explored these powerful words from Jesus. Let us know in the comments, what does being salt and light mean to you?